That's right. Here finally is Samurai Pegasus W105R²F. Now let's look over the packaging a little bit here. We got 0G Takiratomi, God Element, Right Spin, BBG26. I've wanted this Beyblade for a long time since this came out. This one actually was announced. There's Jenga with his longer hair and faded design. There's Samurai Pegasus and the compact launcher. Go to the side here and tell about the R²F. We've already seen this from Galaxy Pegasus and the first version of Cosmic Pegasus from Hasbro. Shows you there how you could switch parts. This shows you synchro between Gladiator Bahavdia and Samurai Pegasus. And this here is flipping the curve wheel and the other wheel upside down. The curve wheel, the crystal wheel. There's a combination between them. Two different Beyblades. How to battle at the 0G Stadium if you don't know how to. And all the parts. Because you got the stone face, the clear wheel, the crystal wheel, the track, and the bottom. Here is Big Bang Pegasus, which then becomes this Beyblade. This is extremely exciting. Okay. You know that's a compact launcher and you know that this is a record thing. Now here is the real good part that you want to see. So much smaller than I thought it would be. Gonna open that. Instructions of how to launch a Beyblade. There's the tip and the track and the stone face and the Pegasus wheel and the Samurai wheel. All built. Let's find out what it looks like. This is gonna be intense. Hold on. Then I got my Beyblade tool here, which has the different face bolts on it. And we're going to assemble Samurai Pegasus. There it is. And here is what the stickers look like. Let's put the amazing Pegasus face look thing on it. Oh yes. And there is Samurai Pegasus.